Hi, Claire.
Is that a Maddie?
Is that your Hanukkah gift?
There was the kitty cat say.
What's the dog say?
What's the monkey say? That's right.
What does Daddy say?
Daddy.
And what does Mommy say?
Mom.
Yes. And where's Grandma?
Hi.
And where's Grandpa?
Where's Grandpa?
Baba.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hold that one. Wrinkly cat.
Who does that? A monkey?
It's a kitten. That's a cat.
What's the cat say?
Meow.
Okay.
It's for you. Telephone.
Hello. Yes, Claire's here and she's looking at her new Hanukkah gift.
She's busy right now, so call back later. Oh.
What is that?
Let's see what else is there. Turn. Look at that cat.
Isn't that a funny looking cat?
No.
Sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, you've had enough?
Okay. Thank you.
Let Mommy open
Hanukkah
it.
present.
Give Mommy. This is
Can I
Mommy's
help Mom open
present.
it?
That's Mommy's present.
Pull it open. Help. Mama.
Doubly wrapped for.
Come on. Let's open. Tear it open.
Mommy's present.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's for that?
Ooh, look at this.
That's so Mommy can write her own book.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Happy Hanukkah.
Ralph and I were having a discussion before, and I was telling him about the account you have for her.
Take off? Uh-huh.
Would you please tell him he wants the information?
Oh, okay.